Because period, okay?
Ain't no need to check the score, bitch, I'ma keep scoring. I get money and go home, bitch, my life boring. Mama want me to quit the lean, but I'ma keep pouring. Got an automatic tour, gas look like a leaf blower. Out of town with my bus on, bitch, I'm from Detroit. I got some white boys that really bought it down.
So sorry, DEEZY Nation. Like, I didn't even realize how bad this angle was until, like, me editing. It's 3 in the morning, and I'm tired. So forgive me. But I'm just taking some cotton pads with some micellar water. I only use the green kind because the other kind be like too oily or something like that. And I have on mascara, so I just take some of that and get the mascara off before I wash my face. So now that I got the majority of the mascara off my eyes, I'm just throwing on my bonnet from Snaggerag. This is a Nike Just Do It bonnet. They have plenty of designer bonnets. The link will be in the description box below. Make sure you click it and use my code. Like, they have so many different bonnets. But I'm just putting on this bonnet to pull back my braids, or to keep my braids from getting in the water. But definitely click the link below, y'all. Alright, DEEZY Nation, so quick talk through. So I just got out the shower or whatever. I don't wash my face in the shower. I just don't. I mean, sometimes I might switch it up. I might wash my face like before the shower or after, which in this case I'm doing after. So I just want to show you my spin brush and just go over a little bit my skincare. So with my Brilliant skincare system, it comes with so many different brushes. So I have a large one, large brush for the body. I use this for my chest, my arms. Like, I have like bad acne on my chest, which is really clearing up. I got a secret to tell y'all on how I cleared up my chest acne that I've had for years. I'm talking about entirely years. But anyway, I got the big brush that I use for my full entire body. So yeah, I haven't used these two, but this is the crude brush. I believe I'm pronouncing this correctly. You use this to like, you can file your nails and things like that. This one is the pumice stone, and this is for like dry, rough areas. So like the calluses on your feet, things like that, on your heels and things like that. I haven't used them yet, but I definitely will, because where I work, honey child. Then what I really use is the cleansing brush. So what I do, I have the cleansing brush and the exfoliating brush. I first do the cleansing brush, and then I do the exfoliating brush. I'm gonna explain what I use. So this skincare routine I've been doing for a year or two now. I use Aveeno Clear Complexion Foam and Cleanser. So I use this on my face and on my chest in the shower. They also have the cotton pad ones, so it's just a pad and it's just easier. I used to have it, but I stopped using it. But I use this. Put water on my face, scoop in my hands, And then I use my Brilliant Skincare Spin System, and I just cleanse my face, like boo, 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 boo. I'm about to show you, but I just wanted to go over it first, because I don't think I'm gonna do a voiceover, to be honest. So yeah, and then once I do that, I believe I add some more, and then I get the exfoliating brush. Switch them, pop it off, put on the exfoliating one, and with the product still on my face, I just wet this some more, and I just, boop. Okay? And then after that, this is what I use, you guys. This is the Clinique Acne Solutions Clinical Clearing Gel. This little thing right here, $20. But when I tell you, this thing works, like, it's crazy. Like, I've had so many, I mean, granted, I still have some dark marks over here, but it's been bad. Like, I had dark mark over here, all down my neck, bruise on my neck, up here on my forehead, and things like this. You're supposed to use this 2 times a day. So I usually use it when I wake up and when I go to sleep. And you don't need a lot, so what I usually do, where I have a dark mark or where whatever I'm trying to clear, I just boop, 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 apply it directly. Or if I'm having a mass breakout, I just apply a little bit more and I just rub it all over. But enough of me talking. Listen, y'all, before I stop talking, I definitely recommend this product. It's definitely worth the $20. Look, this is an old one. I don't want to throw this away because it's still a little bit in here, but it works. That's what I've been using on my chest to clear my acne or whatever. But enough of me talking. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. DEEZY Nation, this is the end of my Get Unready With Me work edition, and this is my skincare routine. I hope you liked it. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Love you guys. Bye.